Hi guys, welcome back to another new video of the Hamster Kombat. As always, I will reveal today's 3 daily combos hidden cards on July 1st. Every day, you can complete the daily combo challenge and receive 5 million coins. Before we start, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and active the notification bell. The first hidden card is in specials. Click Hamster YouTube channel card and buy it or upgrade it. Congratulations, this is the first card of the daily combo. The second card is in specials too. Click YouTube golden button and click on upgrade or buy it. This is the second card. The last one is a special card, so go to specials, click new cards, and click sports integration card, buy it. This is the third card of the daily combo challenge of today, and now you will receive the 5 million coins. Click like to the video if it was helpful.